After many months of delays and rumours that it was cancelled, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is finally here. But is it too little too late? Hi and welcome to TechRadar. I'm staff writer Tom Bedford here with our video review of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, or the FE for short. This is the fourth member of the Galaxy S21 family and it's quite late. The other three phones released in January 2021 and we're expecting the Galaxy S22 family very soon too. When Samsung calls something a fan edition device, it usually means it's a budget alternative to other family members, but in the case of the Galaxy S21 FE, not so much. More on that later. To look at it, you can see why this is a Galaxy S21 phone. It has the same looking camera bump, which Samsung calls contour cuts, the buttons and port in the same place, and a display with the camera centered top. Its rear is made of what Samsung calls glasstick, that's just plastic to you or I, and comes in black, white, pink or green. Size-wise, this sits neatly between the S21 and S21 Plus, so it's a nice middle member of the family. The screen is 6.4 inches across, with the same specs as the other members of the family. That means it has a full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung is one of the leaders in mobile display technology, and for good reason. The FE screen looks great with bold colours and top contrast. When it comes to cameras, the S21 FE is pretty similar to its siblings, the S21 and S21 Plus. It has their 12 megapixel main and ultra-wide cameras and the same telephoto lens as them too for 3x hybrid zoom, though the sensor there is just 8 megapixels. It actually has a higher res selfie camera than them though, at 32 megapixels. Samsung phones are some of the most popular mobiles for photography, particularly for social media ready snaps, both thanks to the scene optimization, which ramps up the saturation on snaps, and with lots of easy to use photography modes like single take, which picks the best picture for you. Despite the different telephoto camera sensor, we found the Galaxy S21 FE was just as good at photography as the other S21 devices. If you like your pictures bright and vibrant but a little less naturalistic, it's a good choice for you. The Galaxy S21 FE has the Snapdragon 888 chipset. The Galaxy S21 came with this in some regions, but in Europe and Asia it packed a different one. It's a super powerful chipset which makes gaming and other intensive processes super smooth. So, we've been pretty positive about the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE so far, but now we've got to change our tone substantially. It starts with the battery. While it's 4500 mAh, which would be pretty big on another phone, we sometimes found the phone didn't last a whole day of use. While this wasn't always the case, heavy use almost guaranteed we need to power it up during the day. And charging isn't exactly convenient either, as 25-watt powering just isn't fast compared to the competition. It takes over an hour and a half to power the phone from empty to full, and while the phone does offer wireless powering too, that's even slower. Software-wise, you're looking at Android 12 with Samsung's One UI laid over the top. Android 12 focuses on customization options like the ability to choose a house color theme that's reflected in menus and settings buttons. However, we found One UI quite slow to navigate, and it frequently stuttered while opening the app drawer or searching for particular apps. Now we come to price, and that's our main issue with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. You see, while it's $699 US, £699 sterling and $999 Australian dollars starting tag, it's cheaper than the Galaxy S21's launch price. That was 11 months ago. Right now, at the beginning of 2022, you can easily pick up the Galaxy S21 for a lower price in most regions around the world, and that's outside sales seasons like Black Friday. So the Galaxy S21 FE has a bizarre price given you can pick up the non-FE version with better specs for cheaper, especially when the newer generation of phones is coming soon too. That's on top of the fact that 2021 was a great year for mid-range phones, and you can pick up handsets with similar specs like the Realme GT, Xiaomi 11T, OnePlus Nord 2 and Moto G200 for a much lower price. Maybe if the FE had come out in August 2021 like we expected, our verdicts could be different. But in early 2022, it's hard to recommend. Thanks for watching TechRadar. Are you tempted by this new Samsung phone? Let us know your reasoning in the comments below and stay tuned for more Galaxy coverage very soon.